Click the Schedule button to choose between two scheduling options. First, schedule the job using the Form View option. Fill out the Schedule event form and assign team members in the Schedule For drop-down field. Click the Save button to schedule the job. To use the second method, click the Schedule button again. Select the Calendar View option. Choose the ideal time slot to assign the job to a team member. To edit the job's scheduled event, click the Edit button. You can also delete it by clicking the Delete button. Choose an ideal time slot for a team member to create an event or assign a job. First, click New Event. Fill out the Schedule Event form and enter the location. Click the Save button to schedule the event. To schedule an existing job, choose an ideal time slot for the team member again. Click the Schedule Job option. Find the job and click the Schedule Job button. Click any event or job in the calendar to view its details. For jobs, click View Job. For events, click Edit Event.